Here are some solutions for homeowners facing foreclosure. The number one easiest thing to do is list the home with an agent for a traditional sale. Maybe get some equity out of the home, or at bare minimum, just break even, keeping a foreclosure and any judgments off of your credit. An agent will take you through the entire process. The second solution is to accept a cash offer. Cash offers without a traditional listing will typically come from a local investor or a wholesaler. The good news is they can close rather quickly. This will help you avoid the foreclosure auction altogether and often make some money in the process. The third solution is a loan modification. This option is one of two options that will let you stay in your home. To get a loan modification, you must apply and qualify with your lender. You'll usually need to prove your ability to afford the new loan payments because your loan balance will increase and typically will have higher monthly payments and interest rates. If the family's already experiencing a hardship and falling behind in other areas like car loans or HOA payments, it's likely that this will be hard to get approved. You'll need to do a modification early in the process. This will give you time to wait to see if you get approved, and if you don't get approved, then you still have time to go through some of the other solutions. The fourth solution is to reinstate your loan. This is the second option for homeowners to be able to stay in their homes. A reinstatement requires you to catch up all the late fees, the attorney fees, and all the monthly payments in full. On top of it, we usually see attorney fees about $3,000 to $5,000, which is added on top of the past due amount. This is the fastest solution. However, usually one of the hardest if families are already experiencing hardships. The fifth solution is to do with a short sale. Let's say your loan balance is close or less than the home's current value. A short sale is when the lender allows you to sell the home for less than you owe. This is an excellent solution for newer homeowners that have not built up much equity, or a homeowner that has a lot of liens or can't afford the closing costs. One thing to remember is that if you have not done it before, please don't attempt to do a short sale on your own. People specialize in this for years, and it takes a lot of negotiation with the lenders to pull it off successfully. The sixth solution is to get creative. You can sell your home with creative financing. Creative financing gives you more control of the terms and the outcome of your sale. The purchaser can reinstate the loan, leaving it in place, and take it subject to. In many cases, you receive cash at closing. Subject to loans will help you rebuild your credit and move you closer to purchasing your next home. Option is a deed in lieu of foreclosure. This is where you voluntarily give your home back to the lender. This will avoid a foreclosure auction and a foreclosure filed against you. In this case, you also get all judgments waived. This is a better option than letting your home actually go to the foreclosure auction. But there are a lot of other things that we can do to help before we end up at this point. Number 8, the last and the worst thing that should ever happen to a homeowner is that the house actually goes to the foreclosure auction. This is not a solution, but an option we see the majority of homeowners falling into all the time across the country. A lot of people are in this situation. They're embarrassed. They're overwhelmed. They think they have exhausted all their income options, and so they ignore the situation due to the massive stress that it's causing. On the other side, people think they have more time than they actually do and wait to the last moment, and it's hard for us to have solutions for them if we run out of time. If it ends up going to foreclosure, the lender can put a deficiency judgment on the homeowner's credit. Not only do they lose the house at the auction, they get a foreclosure filed on them, and majority of the cases, they will not be able to qualify for a home for 7 years. Visit our education center for videos that break down many of the solutions that we talked about here. We do not charge for foreclosure consultation. It's amazing some of the things that we've been able to do for our homeowners. Reach out to us for a 15-minute consultation.